Pretty excited, pretty cool. You know, like I said, it's a big deal. BMO is, well, it's TFC's home field is BMO Stadium, so, you know, they kind of feel, you know, a part of that family right now.
I think this team is more special than any other team because we're doing something bigger than just helping soccer in our team. We're actually helping grow soccer, grow the sport itself, in that kids that couldn't afford to play and continue to play are being supported, and that's growing the entire sport itself.
They really enjoy being together and being part of a team. They work well on and off the field together. They're a very close-knit group off the field, which translates to some real quality stuff that happens on the field.